What is up, programmers? Welcome back to Coding Bat practice. This is going to be number 2. And if you haven't watched the first one yet, maybe go back and watch the first one first if you're new to programming. Otherwise, welcome and let's get right into it. We have a problem here, so let's get started. We have two monkeys, A and B, and the parameters A smile and B smile indicate if each is smiling. So whether monkey A is smiling or monkey B is smiling. We're in trouble if they're both smiling or if neither of them is smiling. And we have to return true if we're in trouble, okay? So we're in trouble if they're both smiling or if neither of them is smiling. So let's test for those things, and then I'll show you after that, after we've solved it the long way, I'll show you a short way of solving this problem, okay? So if, okay, A smile equals true and B smile equals true, we're in trouble, okay? So return true because we're in trouble. If A smile, let's say equals false, right? So it's not smiling. And B smile equals false. Well, then they're both not smiling. And again, we're in trouble, okay? So return true. And if neither of those things occurred, we can return false because we're not in trouble. They're not both smiling and they're not both not smiling, okay? So we can run that and that will work as expected, but that is not the optimal solution, okay? Let's actually analyze this problem and think about it in terms of like a logical statement, okay? So when are we in trouble? We're in trouble when they're both smiling or if neither of them is smiling. So how can we like encapsulate this idea into a more concise formula? Well, if they're both smiling, well, they're both doing the same thing, and they're either smiling or they're not smiling. So if neither of them are smiling, then again, they're both doing the same thing, okay? So let's just test A smile and B smile against each other, right? If they're both smiling, then A smile equals B smile. And if they're both not smiling, again, we're in trouble, and again, A smile equals B smile. So we can just take all this out, write a one-liner, return A smile equals B smile. And that is just as good as all of those tests. So you really have to think about these problems as like, how can I formulate this in a concise, easy, logical statement? And if you can do that, then that's fantastic. So that's number 2. Thank you very much. Let's go do number 3. But first, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And let's go get right to the next one.